by the grace of Divine Mother Sri Jnanakshi Rajarajeshwari and all the grace of all masters of this universe, we have had another very, very useful, purposeful evening. Considering the situation all over the world today, people's minds are all lingering in the difficulties which they are facing. But among all these difficulties, when our mind does not go into those thoughts of fear and anxiety, is it not a big blessing? It is a very, very big blessing of Paramatma that we are able to sing His glory despite any circumstance. The true devotee, or the characteristics of a true devotee, are that he is fearless. The 16th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma says, there are two types of qualities in a human being. One is called as Daivi Sampatti, and the other one is the Asuri Sampatti. Both are present. Among the Daivi Sampatti, among the divine qualities of a human being, the first quality is Abhayam. Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhi Jnana Yoga Vyavasthiti. The first quality itself is Abhayam. So fearlessness. If we slowly contemplate upon the fact, why does a person fear? Should take a consideration of why do we fear, or why does a human being fear? The simplest cause for fear or anxiety is the thought that I may lose something. The thought that I may lose something is the first cause for fear. The second cause is, I have already lost something. What is going to happen? I can't find it now. I have already lost something. I am not able to find it. What is going to happen? The third cause for fear is when we think that somebody might harm us. Fear from wild animals, fear from people, and fear from darkness. So these are all causes for all these fears are, it all relates to ourselves, that the thought arises in us that I may lose something. I may lose my life, I may lose my property, I may lose my balance. So these are all the causes for the fear. So how to overcome this fear? Fear is overcome by firm faith. Firm faith that whatever is there in this world is everything Paramatma only. Everything is Paramatma only. Let us say we have, again, like last time we thought, you get a ball of clay. You get a ball of clay. And from this ball of clay you have to make many things. You can make many things. So you make one deer out of the ball of clay, deer. And you make a lion. You make a lion and a deer. Out of what have you made both? You made out of ball of clay. One is a deer and one is a lion. So the lion, for lion food is what? The deer. So the deer will be afraid of the lion, but I have seen a lion. We have seen lions in the zoo, but we are making a lion also. But when you see a real lion, we will be afraid. We have made a lion of the ball of clay. Same material only, the deer is also made. Same material only, the lion is also made. Similarly, if you see in the macro, from the macro, when you see everything is come from one source only. Everything has come from one source only. When you see a steel vessel, stainless steel vessel, you are not afraid. But if you see a stainless steel knife there, sharp knife there, made out of steel only. Knife is also made of steel, and the vessel is also made of steel. But the thought which arises from seeing the sharp knife is different from the thought which arises from seeing the steel vessel. And now you see, sharp knife is also okay. You see a small sword lying there, sword. The fear is a little more. And now you see, made out of steel, you see a solid rod there. So these are the imaginations of the human being. The imaginations of the human being that these things may harm me. But the quality of a devotee is that When I see Paramatma everywhere, like Prahlada saw Paramatma everywhere. Prahlada had the great boon that he could see Paramatma everywhere. So when his father Hiranyakashipu tried to kill him in many ways, he tried to push him down from a cliff, from the top of a hill, he pushed him down. He said, ultimately one day everybody has to go. Ultimately one day everybody has to go. If my Narayana will protect me. So the moment he fell down, saw somebody in the form, there is another avatar of Narayana comes and holds him there. Hiranyakashipu sends elephants. He looks at the elephants and then closes his eyes and says, my Narayana is there in every elephant. So the elephants see the Narayana in Prahlada. So they start doing production at Prahlada. So if you project a fearful thought, the world will project a fearful thought. If you project an affectionate thought, the world will project an affectionate thought. It's a reciprocal. It's reciprocal. But it is not so easy as we are discussing now. It's not so easy as we are discussing now. One has to slowly inculcate this habit by being good. By being good. When once we decide that we won't hurt anybody, others won't hurt us. As long as we think of hurting somebody in some manner or the other out of joy, hurting another, then definitely we will be hurt one day or the other. As you sow, so you reap. So, seeing Paramatma everywhere, that happens only when you listen to the glory of Paramatma. So in the coming days, we will all again listen to the glory of Paramatma in different ways and develop our fearlessness. Hari Om Tat Sat.